Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today I am uploading video number 27. Video number 27 discuss about Geography Unit 10 Indian Industries. Question number 1. Jindal Vijayanagara Steel Limited is located in A. Odisha, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. Yes, children, the answer is B. Karnataka. It is a private sector iron and steel plant located in Karnataka. Bauxite is the main raw material for A. Aluminium industry, B. Sugar industry, C. Iron and steel industry, D. Paper industry. Yes, children, the correct answer is aluminium industry. So to produce aluminium, bauxite is also a raw material. The paper industry is A. Agro-based industries, B. Forest-based industries, C. Mineral-based industries, D. Silicon industries. Yes, children, the correct answer is forest-based industries. So paper industry mainly depends on forest for their raw material. Therefore, it is called as a forest-based industries. And even it get raw materials from agro-based industry, agriculture also. Like sugar canes, bagasse is used as raw material paper industry, but most of the raw materials come from forest only. Therefore, it is considered as a forest-based industry. The first modern paper mill was set up in 1932 at A. Jaikai B. Kulti, C. Serampur, D. Bhadravati. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Serampur. The first steel industry of the country was established at A. Kulti in West Bengal, B. Beranpur in West Bengal, C. Bhadravati in Karnataka, D. Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. Yes, children, the correct answer is Kulti in West Bengal. First modern cotton textile industry was established in India at A. Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Davangere, D. Mumbai. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Mumbai. Mumbai is called as the Manchester of India because it A. is constructed in the model of Manchester, B. has highest cotton mills, C. very beautiful and crowded, D. is the largest city of India. Yes, children, answer is B as the highest cotton mills. Bengaluru is called Silicon City of India because it is A. famous for production of silicon, B. the largest market of silicon, C. the center of information technology, D. the center of technical education. Yes, children, answer is C. Center of Information Technology. Therefore, it is called Silicon City of India. It means large number of IT industries are located in Bangalore. The Indian government established Software Technology Park STP in A. 1995 C, 1990 C, 1970 C, 2000 C. Yes, children, the correct answer is 1995 C. To development of software industries, STP was established. Tata Iron and Steel Industry is at A. Kulti, B. Beranpur, C. Bhadravati, D. Jamshedpur. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Jamshedpur. The first aluminum industry was started in 1942 at A. Jaikai Nagar, B. Serampur, C. Bombay, D. Jamshedpur. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Jaikai Nagar. The private sector iron and steel plant is A. Ispat Iron and Steel Limited, Vishweshwara Iron and Steel Limited, Bokaro Steel Plant, Salem Steel Plant. Yes, children, the correct answer is Ispat Iron and Steel Limited. The rest of the industries are government sectors or public sector industries. This is a private sector one. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon for further notification. If you have missed the videos of previous chapter, so I have provided links in description box. You can watch them. Thank you.